people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite foods to eat on the Nigerian Keto Diet. You must see my food all where I show you everything I got from the market for keto. Then you should check that out. I'll link it down in the description box below. So basically here we are making cucumber porridge. If you've seen that video, I went on and on about this delicious cucumber porridge. So basically this is supposed to replace your yam porridge, plantain porridge, sweet potato porridge, any form of carb porridge that you eat. So what I'm doing here is I'm peeling off the skin, and now I'm going to perform a surgical operation on the cucumber, the cucumber. Let me know how do you pronounce cucumber. That's really. So here we are removing the seeds from the cucumber. We don't need this in our porridge. You don't be tasting steak when you're eating porridge. Also, I want you to know that the skin that we took off from the cucumber, we're using it again in the famous flat tummy water. If you're a member of Keto Nigeria, you know what that is. But basically, it is a detox water that helps clean the body. And trust me when I say it is delicious, especially when you've left it overnight, it comes out so delicious. So the cucumber is a very important item in the detox water. So here I'm showing you the cucumber and the seeds, the skin and the seeds. Yeah. Right about now, you want to cut it into bits, because if it's yam, you will cut it. So I'm gonna cut it up, cut it. Now this is what we have. This would actually last you 3 meals. But for me, it will serve me 3 times. And I'm cutting up onions. This is all the onions I use for all the food I cooked on this particular day. Remember, it is meal prep, so I'm prepping all my meals for the week. Here I have garlic and shapala. I'm too broke. Normally you have this with multiple fish for I just bought 200 naira pan lad and it works. Now to the cooking process, you're going to add water, onions, garlic. Trust me, the garlic is delicious and this makes a lot of difference. Pepper. I mean, what is keto food without pepper? I'm not evil. I eat pepper, and as a Yoruba girl, it's an essential. You're gonna add a little bit of salt, or salt to taste. Now, adobo is a very recommended seasoning on the keto diet. They say that's what you should use. A little bit of oil, a little bit. Now, palm oil is keto compliant, so a lot of my meals here I prepared with palm oil. I'm gonna cover that up, let it cook for a little bit. Now, groundnut oil is not compliant, however, coconut oil is. I have that, but I didn't cook anything with coconut oil in this video. Now I'm going to add my cucumber. I'm going to allow this cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Nothing too much because it is a vegetable and it's going to sit in this water when it's in the freezer. So we don't want it to be too soggy. So just cook kékeré and small and keep in the freezer. Also, I'm going to be microwaving this when I want to eat it, so I'm still going to cook a little bit too. So stir that up so that every bit of it gets the pepper, gets the seasoning, gets the salt, gets the garlic. I keep saying ginger. Garlic. Now, as you can see, it is beginning to speak in tongues. At this point, you turn off the heat, let it cool for a bit, and then pour in a container. So I'm going to be putting this in the freezer. Like I said, this will take me 3 servings, and I'm fasting at the moment, intermittent fasting, so it's perfect. My portions are reduced. Normally I'll eat this, but my portions are reduced over time. For my stomach, I'll handle a lot anymore. Now next up, we are going to be making our seafood okra pepper soup. This is from the farm, not our farm, a family friend's farm. If you don't know we have a farm, check out my blog. Can't wait for us to start eating the produce from that farm. So what I did here is I diced the okra and I sliced some wrapper. I diced some and I sliced some. So we're going to add water to the pot. Basically almost repeating the same step as the previous one. Almost. Yeah, I added more water. I still added more water, funny enough, because it is seafood okra pepper soup. Pepper soup is important. So yeah, I just squeezed out all the water from that pepper because I wanted it to be very peppery. And now added pepper. I mean, as a Yoruba girl, if I'm on a diet that doesn't allow me eat pepper, hey, I will survive. Even I won't feel like this pepper is me, no. You wing it. Then add onions. Now I wanted to mention that normally adobo, that sounds wrong in Yoruba, but adobo, let's change it back. I wanted to say that for seafood okra pepper soup, people usually use things like prawns, crayfish, and all those things, but the only thing I could afford was panla 200 and Detox 400, and it still makes it seafood okra. You don't need to have all the ingredients. Whatever you have that makes your food unique, eat it. Don't feel like until you have prawns before you have seafood okra. Panla is seafood. Titus is seafood. This is super budget friendly because maybe getting is broke. Now I'm adding my pepper soup spice. I said it is seafood okra pepper soup. We added my Titus and my panla. Allow that cook. I'm going to cover that again. Like I said, keto doesn't have to be expensive. Make do with what you have. Not until you go and be buying different things that you know you're going to use again. Find the recipes that are good for you. That it's not like you are completely changing your lifestyle. I love okra, I love pepper soup, and this is a good mix. So I took out the Titus fish so that it won't break up or crumble. And now I'm adding the star boy of the show, okra. Or is it okra? Oh yeah, both. Then I'm adding the sliced one. This is just to make it a little crunchy, so it's not too chewy, because I'm going to be chewing this. I'm not eating this with anything. So I don't feel like I'm eating something. You can have this with the famous cabbage swallow. They added salt. Have this with cabbage swallow, eggplant swallow, all of that, but I rarely eat that. I'm not like it's too much work. But sometimes I eat it though, but it's too much work. Yeah, I've added ugu leaves. This is not compulsory, this is optional, and you can use other types of vegetable. You can use efiri, but I just bought 15 naira ugu and decided to put it in my soup. Like I said, I'm eating this alone, so yeah. Then I'm adding the fish back just to allow everything to menge. And now our seafood okra is ready. Seafood okra pepper soup. The name is long. So yeah, I'm pouring in the pot to freezer. Now with the remaining ugu, like I said, I bought on 15 naira ugu, which is really small. I decided to make a very small soup, vegetable soup, using the remaining ugu. I just put pepper, onions, one of the fish, and seasoning, and I added the ugu. This is what I had for lunch when I was meal prepping. It was super small, but boy, this was delicious. And I also made pepper soup. All of this I did with one Titus fish, on 500 naira fish, I think, or 400 naira. And I'm putting that in the bowl as well. This will probably eat that twice. So now I'm making a flat tummy water. I'll usually use a big keg, maybe like a 5 liter keg, so I can drink it over the week. But because I don't have mint leaf, or I didn't have mint leaf I recorded this video, I'm just using a small bottle. In that, you want to put the seeds and the back of the cucumber, ginger, and lemon. Normally, you squeeze out the lemon, but I just take out the bulb and pour water. So I realized I was showing Biggie. Then I turned it. Don't mind me, I wasn't sponsored by Biggie, but that was the water we had at home. So I love this bottle because it has the strainer, so you can easily drink without any of the icing seeping through. Cover that up, and I love that it has a strap. I usually use this bottle in the office, so it's easy to carry around. I just get to the office, fill it with water, and I go drink as the day goes by. So this is usually what I would have for breakfast: shredded cabbage, one egg, meal, and grilled chicken. I usually with my cabbage. Yeah, this is afang. I ordered it. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Seafood okra pepper soup, cucumber porridge, and pepper soup. So I'm going to be having this all throughout the week, and to even remain because I'm fasting and I'm not eating 3 meals a day. Instead, I'm eating 2. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are you on the keto diet? What will you try out? What are you even trying out? Drop me your comments and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.